Hello guys, my name is Kallani. I am from West Bengal. Welcome back to my channel English with Kallani. Today is day 18 of 30 days English speaking challenge. Today I am going to share my own English journey, when I started, how I started and why I started. Each and everything I am going to share with you guys. So please do not skip this video. Try to watch this video till the end, and I hope after listening my English journey you will get some motivation and you will learn something from my journey. Okay, guys, I completed my graduation in English literature. When I was studying in a college as a literature student, I couldn't speak. Yet it's true, it's not a false story. It's being a literature student, I got many opportunities to speak English language. Whenever I was attending any seminar, whenever I was attending any classes, all the classes, teachers, and all the seminar uh, environment is English. But even though my teacher was also saying to me, go and give a little speech in front of the students, in front of the teachers, but I was not speaking. I couldn't speak this language, even though I was not giving importance also. Okay, I need to speak this language, I need to overcome my all the scare. I was not thinking like this. Okay, then one story hurt me a lot. After that I started my English journey. What was that story? Okay, let me tell you. One day my teacher called us, more than 20 students. Then we attend that class. After attending that class, she was saying to all of them, okay, means you need to introduce our college in English, because of in our university some visitors will come to visit our college. So at the time we need to introduce them in English. So who is ready to introduce them? So at the time she used to call my name. Okay, Kolani, are you ready to introduce them? Then I down my head, I was not giving any response to her. Okay, it was my situation. Then she able to understand I was not ready to speak. Okay, then after completing that meeting, I came back to my home, and I was feeling so sad. While feeling sad, I was asking to myself, what am I doing? I'm studying in English literature, but I'm not able to speak. So what am I doing? So this kind of question was coming in my mind, and it was insulting me a lot, because in front of 20 more than 20 students I stand up and I was not giving any response to her. Okay, so I was, then I try to find out why I am not able to speak, why other students are able to speak, why teacher are able to speak, why I am not able to speak. So what was my faults, what was my problems? Due to that problem I was not able to speak. Problem is means I was afraid to speak. I was giving more importance to people. If I will start to speak English language, so what people will think, how people will see my English. Okay, and I was giving much more importance to my grammar mistakes. So try to find out the reason, how should I overcome this kind of problems in my life, because I need to speak this language. I need to break my all the problems, I need to solve my all the problems, and I need to speak this language. Then what I did, I note down on my diary, and one by one I try to read out loud. Okay, this was my problem, and I should break these problems, I should solve this problem, and I should try to open my mouth. Then that day I decided, okay, tomorrow in the morning time, whatever I have in my mind, I should try to explain in English. And what I did, tomorrow in the morning time, I woke up at 5 p.m. and I went to a place that is far away to my home. Okay, and I on my camera and I used to record myself. Okay, it was very challenging to me. I was not able to speak few sentences also. Yeah, it's not means I couldn't understand English. I was able to understand English, but when it's come to speak, I was feeling afraid. Means I was, means in my mouth anything is not coming. So when first time when I on my camera and I tried to speak, it was not coming anything, only my name and few sentences. Then I used to motivate myself, okay, it's enough today, because at least I was able to speak few sentences. Okay, then I was saying to myself, this way I should continue my journey. Then what I did, next day also I wake up at 5 a.m. and I went to outside, means far away to my home, and again I start to record myself. This way I used to do more than 10 or 15 days. Okay, after doing 10 or 15 days, I observed myself. Okay, improving my English, I'm overcoming my all the problems. Then then another problem is, means I was not feeling comfortable to speak at my home, because I was thinking, if I start to speak English language at my home, so what my family member will think, and what my surrounding people will think. And another side away, I was thinking, if same, means if I used to do same thing, means to my I went far away to my home and I tried to practice this language, so how many days I will continue this journey, go too far away to my home and try to record myself? It's impossible to me. So I need to speak at my home also whenever I will free. So at the time I need to speak this language. What people will think, okay, let it be. When I started to practice at my home also, then yeah, starting time I got problems whenever I was speaking English language. Whenever I was practicing English language at my home, I got problem also from my family members, from my neighbors also. But I couldn't give much more important to their comment, that I know what I want to be and why I want to learn this language. Then gradually, means all of them are become familiar to my journey, to my practice, because they already knew it. Okay, I don't want to give up this journey, and if they are feeling uncomfortable, now they are going too far away to me, I am not going too far away to them. Okay, so this is my journey. So my dear friends, if you are facing same problems, means if you are feeling afraid to speak, if you are giving importance to peoples, and if you are giving importance to your grammar mistakes, so please do not give much more important to all those things. Whatever you have, you should try to practice. Means practice makes man perfect. Every single day, if you will practice, you will also able to speak this language. Okay, so please do not give important to peoples, do not give important to your afraid, and do not give important to your mistake. One day all those things you will overcome to yourself. So it's true, I am the real example. So I hope this video will help you. So if you really like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. Bye for now, see you the next video.